The modulation means we are getting the demodulation. Next one, frequency modulation and demodulation. Frequency modulation means frequency only modified. Second one is demodulation. Next, elements of super heterodyne receiver. This is also one type of device. In the device, different parts is there. What is super heterodyne receiver? What is the purpose that is? Next, television transmission and reception. Television transmission and reception. Television means how to, so basically communicate system means to communicate the signal from one region to another region. So major communication system, we have the three parts, no? Transmitter, channel, and receiver. Okay. So first one, input, output, in between channel. That total three blocks is there, ma. Using that, what is the transmission, what is the reception that we are studying in television lesson. Okay. These are the 12 blocks, ma. Next, you want important questions, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Just convert page numbers, ma'am. Only question and answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Block 1, question and answers. Block 2, block 3, like that, lesson wise question answers you have, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's first unit, ma'am.
Okay. Differential amplifier. So in that, CMR are important for 2 marks, ma. VSAQ question only. So here you don't have VSAQs right now, means it is 4 marks they are given. Either 4 and 8 marks, no, now? No, 5, 10, 20 questions.
20 marks, yes.
Yeah. 5 marks, 10 marks, 20 marks. This question is related to 5 marks, not 20 and all. Okay. Next, first one, differential amplifier question is there. మొత్తం రావట్లేదు మ్యామ్ స్క్రీన్ కోసం.
Yes, ma'am.
So draw the circuit diagram of a differential amplifier and write all parts and gain differential amplifier. First 2 questions is related to same only, no ma. Draw the circuit diagram of a difference amplifier. Down question is give an expression for the gain of a differential amplifier. Gain means output you are taken, no? That we are studied in second question. And answer the following questions briefly means 5 marks questions, ma, down one. That is in that down one only CMR are important.
Second one, ma'am.
Next, second lesson. In this also 1 and 2 questions only, ma. If you get 1 and 2 questions means you can write any, you can write remaining questions, no?
Okay, ma'am.
So,
ma'am, will you briefly explain about operational amplifier, ma'am?
Operational amplifier name itself you have, no, ma. Operational, just to show that block diagram, I will explain. Differential amplifier, operational amplifier, and characteristics of operational and differential amplifier. You have 3 blocks, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's block diagram of operational amplifier.
See, what are the blocks is that SA second amplifier, IV characteristics to voltage converter. So IV current to voltage converter, IV current to voltage converter is a third system. So first one, I will share my total not getting. Wait, I will try to. Slow. ఓకే మా షేర్ ఇట్ నా సపోర్ట్ చేయట్లేదు నా దగ్గర ఫైల్ ఉండింది కానీ
Okay.
షేర్ కన్వర్షన్స్ నాట్ సైడ్ క్లియర్గా చెంది ఓకే
Okay.
So major input voltage V plus V, that is initial ma IC1 and IC2. Okay. So what it is IC1, first two is given SA, and what are the blocks first you can identify. First one differential amplifier, second one second amplifier, third one IV current to voltage converter, IV current to voltage converter ma. So finally we are taken as output. DA means differential amplifier, IV current to voltage converter is third ma, SA means second stage amplifier, and last means output device, output driver we are taken. Okay. Now, so here what it is my amplification means first to it is not essential to know what it is inside the ICR OP amp, that is not required ma. Just we can use the comfortable when has some idea about the what conversions is going on in this differential amplifier to amplifier. The block diagram of general purpose OP amp, operational IC OP means it is operational amplifier ma. Okay, operational amplifier is shown in figure. All types of op amps in the differential amplifier, it has two input terminal differential voltage, input terminals of difference in voltage applied between the input terminals. One is V plus we are substituting, one is V minus is given to the device. The differentials of the input voltage into output currents are output voltage. The second amplitude currents are voltages into a single-ended current or voltage. Hence, it is called single-ended converted. The single-ended output current is converted into third amplifier. So here, what is the process means? We are giving input is V plus, might is converted into current. Okay. We are giving input is nothing but voltage, but we are taken output is current. That means input voltage to current it is converted. That is called IV, that we are taken across the output deriver. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So first we are giving input in terms of V plus and V minus. After second amplification, we are taken as only one output. No. So you are giving two inputs. So conversion of one IC1, IC2 are given two inputs of second amplifier. But output of second amplifier is only current. Then it is converted into voltage. So we are given voltage. Conversion output of first differential amplifier is current. Then we are taken as the second amplifier. Then it is converted into IV voltage. Then it is the output device. That is the working phenomena of operational amplifier. Feedback arrangements. From feedback content, somewhat output is given to input, then it is nothing but feedback.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, parameters, ma'am. Operational amplifier parameters.
Next
In
page,
that,
parameters
yes,
means
in that, what is open loop gain, ma'am?
open loop gain. Gain is nothing but output profit only. No? So output is nothing but how much you are giving, how much you are taken. That is nothing but gain. Gain and end profit. It is related to profit. Profit,
Okay.
how to calculate, ma? How much you are getting, how much you are investing. Loss means same only required. So loss means gain is less than that of the investment, then it is a loss. Gain is more than that of the investment, then it is profit. No, that is called gain.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, CMRR, ma'am.
Common mode resistor resistance. Same first దాంట్లో ఉంది కదా, ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ లో ఉందో
అవును ma'am.
అదే పారామీటర్స్ అవేమో, బట్ ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ టు ఇన్పుట్ అనమాట. దేనికి రేషియో తీసుకుంటున్నాము, దట్ ఈస్ ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ సిఎంఆర్ఆర్.
Offset voltage, ma'am.
That is also definitely offset voltage, half of the voltage. So to convert to continue the circuit, then it is nothing but offset voltage.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in these two questions only important, ma'am.
Yes. Next third lesson, this is second only, no? Second only.
Yes, ma'am. In third lesson, ma'am.
Wait, I will try. Third lesson, what questions you have? What is the principle of virtual equalating to that is also VSA, just definition is important. Next one question is answer the following question in detail. arrive the principle of virtual equality. Already paina what we are studying in progress, that is there no more, that virtual equality. Virtual equality means the device is in equal in voltage or current, that we are studied in a virtuality of particular device ma, either amplifier or rectifier or any other device. What is the virtual equality? And describe how op amp can be used as their voltage circuit diagram. That is not that much ma. Second, downward question important. Explain the working of voltage and current followers. Number of times asking that question. Voltage and current followers. Short answer is important, that one.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, discuss the action of active integrator and differentiator. So, this is not that much, but above question is more important. Explain the working of voltage and current followers. So, same you have, you're studying in anyhow model papers only, no, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Model papers, direct answers only there, no?
No,
Same,
no, ma'am. Using textbook only I'm preparing.
okay. Most probably whatever you have in textbook, that only there, but how much answer is required, what is the exact definition, you can understand easily. Why? Because means you are not directly attending the classes, no. If you are attending the classes means that is different. You are explaining like board and notes all are given like regular students, but you are not regular and you are not face to face classes, no. Not
Yeah.
offline classes, it is online classes. So once you follow that also, ma, that is limited answers you have, no.
Okay, ma'am.
So a textbook also very good, very good habit only, but how much answer is required, how much I want to write, that you don't know. So that once you go through that means you know idea about the different questions. Repeated questions you concentrate first.
Okay, ma'am.
So at least 2 or 3 papers you are perfect, definitely will get good marks only in this final year.
Okay, ma'am.
Next lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
Not getting clarity in first sem. Check your progress, that is not questions. Next, give the design consideration to be for converting a d-arsenic. Okay, that is important only, ma. D-arsenic and conversion of d-arsenic to be converting a d-arsenic so ohmmeter give the circuit diagram. That is short answers. Okay. FET important, ma. Design using FET. Second question and d-arsenic rendu question important. Field
Which
effect,
one? Second.
field effect transistor and d-arsenic, ma.
Okay. Ma'am, will you explain feed input type voltmeter?
What, ma?
Do you explain second question, ma'am? How an electric voltmeter can be designed?
Field effect transistor, ma. So field effect transistor is nothing but it is a special device, ma, like a transistor only. It is also field effect transistor. Transistor is also 3 parts, no, PNP and NPN. So here field effect transistor is a special device to using as a switching device, either on and off state we are using, ma. So electronic voltmeter can be designed using electronic voltmeter means what is the purpose of voltmeter? To measure the voltage. Okay, either half stage or on stage. So how much voltage you are supplying to the system, that we are that purpose we are using the FETs, field effect transistors. It is a one type of special devices in electronics. FETs and UJTs. That transistors are the special devices, ma. like photodiodes, like is there no? So normal diode is PN junction diode. Photodiode, solar cell, and photo emission diodes all are special diodes. Like that in transistors, FETs, UJTs are different types of transistors, which are the special devices in transistors.
Okay, ma'am.
Everything in this what it is, my electronics compulsory circuit is important. Without circuit you can't write anything. It is like experiment. Without figure we can't explain any device. Okay, compulsory figure required. Figure, using figure we can take the what input you are giving, what output you are taken, what is the working function of a given device that we want to write, then only it will be giving the clarity about the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Roughly we can't explain, using figure compulsory.
Okay. Ma'am, second one, another question, which one, ma'am?
First one.
In brief questions only, ma'am.
Long answers, long answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Dr. Snick. హాఫ్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ అవ్వట్లే కదా మనకు, నువ్వు చేసేదే వస్తుంది.
మ్యామ్
నేను ఆన్ స్క్రీన్ ఒకటి చూపిస్తున్నది, నీకు వస్తుందా, షేర్ అవుతుందా?
లేదు మ్యామ్, స్టాప్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే ఓకే,
ఇప్పుడు షేర్ చేయండి మ్యామ్.
రావట్లేరా? టోటల్ లింక్ లా వస్తుంది, కన్వర్ట్ చేసినాను, బట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ ఇట్. ఫోన్ కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది కానీ మీటింగ్ కి సపోర్ట్ చేయట్లేదు. రైట్, ఓకే, కెన్ షేర్.
మ్యామ్ లేకపోతే మీ నంబర్ ఇస్తారా మ్యామ్?
ఎందుకమ్మా?
I will ask you in WhatsApp or I will contact you, ma'am.
అట్లా ఇవ్వకూడదు అఫీషియల్ గా, క్లాస్ రన్నింగ్
Okay.
అవుతుంది.
Okay, ma'am.
Maximum ante minimum 2 papers perfect you should learn. You definitely will get good marks only. And more 3 classes is there, no? 2 or 3?
Yes, ma'am.
3.
Up to 11.
Okay, okay. 10, 11, 2.
2 classes are there.
Okay, okay. Just read, go through the textbook and model paper. My need 2 papers you should learn perfectly. You get good marks only, no doubt. All papers completed up to this?
No, ma'am. 4th sem physics balance. I had supply in that.
Diffraction, 4th sem means what?
Optics, ma'am.
Optics, diffraction, polarization.
Yes, ma'am.
Interference.
Yes, ma'am.
You are not attended at that time classes?
Yes, ma'am. I am not attended for exams also.
Okay.
So it was pending.
Okay.
Ma'am, if you don't mind, could you tell me important questions in that topic also?
Okay, okay. Tomorrow I will tell you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in 5th unit, what are the digital voltmeter, ma'am?
A digital voltmeter. So like we are using no in stabilizer purpose.
Yes, ma'am.
That is only. So
In that, what is ramp voltmeter, ma'am? Ramp type digital voltmeter.
DVM important, ma. Ramp not that much. So DVM you can learn. Digital voltmeter. Dual slope. So digital voltmeter. Current మనం LEDs లో డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది కదా.
అవును మ్యామ్.
ఆ డిస్ప్లే వాటిని డిజిటల్ వోల్ట్మీటర్స్ అంటే మనము ల్యాబ్స్ లో ఉపయోగిస్తాం కదా ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లో వాటిలో.
Yes, ma'am.
అవి ఎనలాగ్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్. అవి కాకుండా మనం డిజిటల్ ఎల్ఈడి లాగా కనిపిస్తే వాటిని డిజిటల్ వోల్ట్ మీటర్స్ అంటాం.
Okay, ma'am.
So how much voltage we are supplying, how much voltage we are getting using circuit that we are studying using this digital voltmeters.
Okay, ma'am.
What are the working function, what are the basic devices, what are the blocks is there, how it is taking the reading, that all we are studying in DVMs.
Okay, ma'am.
In this lesson, concentrate on DVM. Lesson 1 question at least. 1 or 2.
Okay. A circuit diagram also important, ma'am.
That only major important in electronics. You should learn, you should practice only circuits.
Circuit, okay, ma'am.
So inside what you are writing, that is not the matter. Headings and circuit is important. Superheater and receiver, DVM, integrators, operational amplifier, differential amplifier, logic gates. Okay, all are
Okay.
compulsory. Electronic devices, circuits compulsory.
Okay, ma'am.
You should practice that compulsory.
Okay, ma'am. In this
Without
chapter, only first question, ma'am.
DVM.
Okay. What is mean by dual slope DVM, ma'am?
Double slope is there, then it is DVM. Double slope DVM. Single means single, double means dual role it is placed. Single slope means one line only is there, either in voltage randomly increases or decreases. Here it is a double.
Okay. Is that also important, ma'am?
No. Normal slope, not dual slope.
Okay. Ma'am, in digital electronics, ma'am.
Yesterday we are giving some examples. Conversions, De Morgan theorems important, very important here. Logic gates, De Morgan theorems easy and important also. A dot B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Already we are explained in last class. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1 means A plus B ante 0 plus 1 ante 1. So 1 bar ante 0. Like that we are conversion applying that values in our last two theorems is there. De Morgan first theorem and second theorem. You concentrate that more.
Okay, ma'am.
That down all 5 questions are important.
Okay, ma'am.
And compulsory total lesson is important only. If you are perfect, at least this lesson, one essay question compulsory, one short is there. Essay means 10, sometimes 20 marks question also given. 20 plus 5 means 25. This lesson one only perfect means you get easily 25 marks, pass marks is over.
Okay, ma'am. In this lesson here, bubbled OR gate is given, ma'am. What is mean by bubbled OR gate, ma'am?
Bubbled OR gate. OR gate means what I said yesterday.
A dot B.
A dot B. A dot B or A plus B?
A plus B, ma'am. Sorry.
A dot B is nothing but AND gate.
And B.
Bubbled means 2 times the circuit. The device also there in your textbook. Bubbled OR gate.
Only definition was given, ma'am.
No, bubbled OR gate. What it is means double line, bubbled name itself bubbled just like budget అనమాట. ఆర్ గేట్ అంటే ఏంటి, మనము ఏ ప్లస్ బి చెప్తున్నాము. బబుల్డ్ ఆర్ గేట్ అంటే షార్ట్ సర్క్యూట్ చేస్తాము ఇన్పుట్స్ ని.
Okay, ma'am.
ఇన్పుట్ షార్ట్ చేస్తే సింగిల్ అవుతుంది, లైక్ నాట్ గేట్ లాగా అవుతుంది అనమాట. దాన్ని బబుల్ ఆర్ గేట్ అంటాం. 2 ఇన్పుట్లు కలిపి షార్ట్ చేసేస్తే అది సింగిల్ ఇన్పుట్ అవుతుంది కదా, వచ్చే అవుట్పుట్ కూడా సింగిల్ అవుతుంది. 1 ఇన్పుట్ 1 అవుట్పుట్ దేనికి ఉంది మనకి, నాట్ గేట్ ఉంది.
Yes, ma'am.
అట్లా బబుల్ అనమాట. బబుల్ నాట్ దట్ మచ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ మా, రిమైనింగ్ గేట్స్ యూ కెన్ లెర్న్. కన్వర్షన్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్, కంపల్సరీ 1 క్వశ్చన్ విల్ గివింగ్. డి మోర్గన్ థియరమ్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ లాజిక్ గేట్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్.
Okay.
Number system, decimal to binary, binary to decimal, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. We will learn all these and gates and then De Morgan theorems.
Okay.
So this lesson don't leave. If you leave this lesson means definitely you will lose your marks. You are not getting that much of score.
Okay, ma'am.
So that you should learn this lesson is very, very important. Half adder, full adder important. One more important topic, JK flip-flop and binary counter. This is easily you can learn. Flip-flops ante conversions, one on, off immediately, like digital lights. Flip-flops means half adder, full adder means a function is there. One Boolean algebraic function using gates, and gate, or gate, and exclusive or gate we are using in half adder and full adder. Half adder sum carry, full adder sum carry. What are the function? A gates ఉపయోగిస్తే మనకి sum వస్తుంది, A gates ఉపయోగిస్తే carry వస్తుంది. How to add in the 2 digits and 3 digits. 2 digits means half adder we are using, 3 digits means we are using full adder. Okay. Is it audible, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
హాఫ్ యాడర్, ఫుల్ యాడర్, ఫ్లిప్ ఫ్లాప్స్, కౌంటర్స్. గేట్స్ తో పాటు గేట్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఫోకస్ చేయాల్సింది ఈ రెండు లెసన్స్ మా. ఇంత ముందు
Okay, ma'am.
ఈ లెసన్ లో కంపల్సరీ హాఫ్ యాడర్, ఫుల్ యాడర్ లో కౌంటర్స్ లో ఒకటి వస్తుంది, బైనరీ కౌంటర్, ఫ్లిప్ ఫ్లాప్స్, వాటి రిలేటెడ్ కంపల్సరీ ఒక ఎస్ఏ క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుంది 10 మార్క్స్. గేట్స్ లో నుంచి 10 మార్క్స్ అని ఉండొచ్చు, 20 మార్క్స్ అని ఉండొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ కాబట్టి 10 కానీ 20 కానీ. సో ఓవరాల్ గా ఈ రెండు లెసన్లు పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉంటే పాస్ మార్క్స్ కి కవర్ అయిపోతుంది.
Okay. Ma'am, what is difference between RS and JK flip-flop, ma'am?
Both are different. RS is one type of configuration, JK is one type of configuration. Two different devices.
Okay.
That configuration is different, that structure is different, then definitely it will be different. Flip flops. You have the circuit figures, no ma. JK means how to take, what is the on half state clock triggering that we are using in compulsory circuits is required in binary counter, half adder, full adder, and flip flops also.
Okay, ma'am.
Your intermediate completed, entrance through?
Yes, ma'am.
Through entrance,
No, ma'am, I'm completed intermediate.
Okay. Inter also you don't have electronics, no? This is new only for you. Physics
Yes,
is there, but this topics is new for you only. In degree only introducing this electronics, that is third lesson, third year only. Before all physics only related to intermediate. But electronics is only semiconductors you read in completed
Yes, ma'am.
in intermediate. But these all are new only.
And in some Indian transistor.
Next lesson.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
8085 block diagram is only difficult ma here. MUP 8085 a little bit long ఉంటుంది, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాల్సిందే. ఆ క్వశ్చన్ వస్తే అసలు ఏ టర్మ్ మనకి లైక్ ఏమంటాం దాన్ని, ఒక ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ లాగా అనమాట. సో వాట్ బ్లాక్, వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫంక్షన్, ఆల్ వీఆర్ స్టడింగ్ 8085 మైక్రో ప్రాసెసర్ అంటాం కదా. మైక్రో
Yes.
ప్రాసెసర్ బ్లాక్ డయాగ్రామ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాల్సిందేమో, దానిలో ఫంక్షన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేది ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఈచ్ బ్లాక్ ఆఫ్ మైక్రో ప్రాసెసర్ పైన వచ్చిందంటే కింద సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ కూడా సేమే ఉంటుంది.
Okay, ma'am.
అది ఒకటి చదివామంటే మిగతా అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ కి అది కవర్ చేయగలుగుతాం మనం. మేజర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ హియర్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ మ్యూపీ 8085. ఆ బ్లాక్ చదివి ఆ డయాగ్రామ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి దాంట్లో ఈచ్ రోల్ ఏంటి, ఈచ్ ఏం పెర్ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది, దట్ వీఆర్ స్టడీడ్, దెన్ యూ గెట్ ఆల్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్స్. algorithms, flow chart important. What is algorithm, what is the flow chart? సో కంప్యూటర్ మన ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ అంటాం కదా, ప్రోగ్రామ్ కి ఏ ఫంక్షన్ ఏం చేస్తున్నామో, ఫ్లో చార్ట్ ఏంటి, అల్గారిథం అంటే ఏ లాజిక్ ను ఉపయోగిస్తే మనకి నెక్స్ట్ వస్తుంది, ఇఫ్ డోనా డిడ్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, ఏ కండిషన్ అప్లై చేస్తున్నాము, దాన్ని ఎలా పెర్ఫామ్ చేస్తాం అనేది లైక్ ఈ ఫ్లో చార్ట్ రూపంలో చూపిస్తే దాన్ని ఆల్గారిథమ్స్ ఫ్లో చార్ట్ అంటాం. ఆ కోసం కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్, 5 మార్క్స్ అడుగుతారు.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
8085 అండ్ దెన్ ఫ్లో చార్ట్స్ లాగర్థం గురించి షార్ట్ నోట్.
ఓకే. In 9th chapter, ma'am.
9th chapter modulation, already said no more. Modulation, types of modulation. Here heterodyne receiver is there, no? Super heterodyne receiver, next lesson maybe. First question, what it is? Amplitude modulation. Second one, amplitude modulate waves and detection. Short answer, need for modulation in radio, and that question is important, ma. Amplitude modulate waves, and first 2 questions. Long answer first 2, ma. And
Okay, ma'am.
short answer first one. Distinguish between amplitude and frequency modulation. Amplitude modulation means you are converting modulation in amplitude only. Frequency means frequency modulation, ma. What is the range of signals, how it is differences anamata రెండిటికి. So ప్రతి lesson first 2% is nothing but total lessons, ma. In that half of is nothing but short answers.
Okay, ma'am.
So here concentrate about amplitude modulation, amplitude and frequency differences, need for modulation. 12 3 is 36 at least. You can prepare means easily you get good marks only. Each lesson at least 2 or 3 questions enough. Means 2 model papers related to completed.
Okay, ma'am.
EMB, FM detection or discussion. So here principles of involved in the production and detection. First one, ma. First one and last short answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in this super heterodyne receiver.
Super heterodyne receiver circuit is there, ma. You can draw that circuit and different same like in intermediate nuclear reactor means parts is there, parts functioning. So if you are explaining one part means you are getting final working, no? Like that.
Yes.
This mechanics also like that only, ma. So different parts combination you are getting one device. That device you are explaining each part means functioning is over. Functioning is over means total working is explained, no? Like that we are studying compulsory electronic devices, circuits and working part. What is the functioning of each block? Important. First one. If you are getting first one means remaining questions easily you can in that half of the part we have to write a short answer. Explain the principle of superheterodyne receiver. So if you read superheterodyne receiver, you can write this also, no? IF amplifier, in that only one part. In superheterodyne receiver only you have the radio receiver, IF amplifier, ma. So radio receiver enti, then functioning enti, characteristics enti. IF amplifier enti, then functioning enti, characteristics enti.
Okay. Amplitude modulated receiver is also important, ma'am.
Amplitude modulated receiver not required, ma. Only superheated and amplitude modulated receiver is in one part of superheated and receiver. If you read each block and function of superheated and receiver, it is enough.
Okay, ma'am.
If they are asking also, you can write only that much of block. That is asking for only 5 marks. Each separate block means essay question is superheated and receiver only.
Okay, ma'am.
This is 12th lesson. AGC. No?
AGC.
TV receiver and explain. And next AGCM synchronization in a TV. That's it. What AGCM next video signals are processed. Emotional. Working of TV camera. TV camera and AGC.
Okay. Synchronization, discuss the need for, is it important, ma'am?
Important, amma, that is also why it is need for synchronization in TV. AGC synchronization is more important amma, than TV camera.
Okay, ma'am.
సిగ్నల్ అనేది సింక్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది కదా, సింక్ అవుతుంది అంటే ఏంటి, అది వెరీ లెస్ గా వస్తూ ఉంటది కదా, ఇంటెన్సిటీ తక్కువ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి సింక్రనైజేషన్ ని టీవీలో ఎలా కంట్రోల్ చేయగలుగుతామో, హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ నీడ్ ఫర్ సింక్రనైజేషన్ ఇన్ టీవీస్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్.
Okay.
ఏజీసీ అండ్ సింక్రనైజేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
ఓకే ఓకే. బట్ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ చేయాలమ్మా. చెప్పడం ఈజీ, ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫస్ట్ మీరు అర్థం చేసుకొని చదవటం. అట్లీస్ట్ 25-26 క్వశ్చన్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉన్నామంటే ఓవరాల్ 12 lessons you get easily good marks.
Okay, ma'am.
So first concentrate in that flip-flops and gates, ma. That is easy and important also. If you are perfect, that means definitely you gain first pass marks. Then you go for bonus marks. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So first the two blocks is there. No, in the 2 lessons is there. The 2 lessons you by hard or whatever you do, that is easily you can understand. You learn easily.
Okay, ma'am.
If you are completed that too, then you go for this synchronization. What I said right now, that questions you concentrate.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any doubt?
Nothing, ma'am. Ma'am, tomorrow can you explain fourth sem, ma'am, in physics?
Fourth sem, what lessons is there in that?
Optics, ma'am, Young's modulus experiment.
And then? Okay, you
Optics,
share
ma'am.
tomorrow also you share that lessons, ma.